This
mic.
conference will now be recorded.
Hello, good morning. I think Dhaliwal sir is it? Okay. Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now I request our principal, Dr. Ravindra Iglarkar, sir, please say a few words. Is there? Okay, sir.
Yes, very good morning to one and all.
Good morning, sir.
Honorable Vice Chairperson, Madam, Srimati Reshma Kaurji, Madam, respected Director Academics, sir, Colonel Dr. B.S. Dhaliwal, sir, my beloved HOD of Mechanical Department, Professor K.K. Prasad, all heads of departments, all the faculty members, and today's our special guests, our alumni. So it gives me immense pleasure to be here on the occasion of virtual meet being organized by a mechanical engineering department. So I appreciate the head of department and also all coordinators for their continuous effort in making this virtual alumni meet possible today. It is not only a moment of happiness and nostalgia for us, but also the opportunity to meet you all virtually. So I'm proud to share that we have 20,000 plus alumni. It's a strong network working in India and abroad in various distinguished positions. I'm proud to share that GNDEC is expanding dramatically with PG programs in electronics and communication, computer science and engineering, and mechanical engineering. We also have research centers in almost all departments. We have very well qualified professors working in different research areas. So I request all the alumni, like this is for your information, that if you want to pursue your research work, you can come back, and we have professors working here under their supervision. You can carry out your research work also. That facility also we have in our campus. So we also have state government sponsored New Age Incubation Center for promoting student startup. Students actually, we encourage the student to present their ideas, then develop prototype, and they come out with the product. We are also planning to start startups in the campus. I expect all of your support, because I know most of our students, alumni, are working as a CEO of the company, or some of them have their own companies running, and we definitely need a support and guidance from you people to start a startup in the campus. Your alma mater has always been committed to social service also. We regularly organize blood donation camps. We visit different villages to help underprivileged students. We are also giving free seats under Pant Ratan Shiromani Sardar Joga Singh Ji scholarship And also we are giving concession for the meritorious students to encourage the students. And I can say, my dear alumni, you are a constant pillar of support to the college. I request you to contribute in one or the other way, either in terms of coming down or virtually motivating the students, or organizing a guest lecture on it or a technical talk, or I request you to help us in bridging the gap between industry and institute. So I look forward to meet you all very soon. Because of pandemic, we could not meet. So next year we are planning to have a grand alumni meet wherein we are going to invite all of you. Please accept our invitation. Very soon we are going to invite you all. So I wish you every success and looking forward to meet you all. Thank you. Thank you, Venado. Over to
Thank you,
Prasad.
sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay. Now I request Professor Guru Prasad, Dean Alumni, to please say a few words on this occasion. Over to you, Guru Prasad, sir. Guru Prasad, sir.
Good morning to one and all, to all the alumni. So this is a very, because I am also an alumni of this college. To be among you all, it's a really a best gesture I feel right now. So it's a complete alumni group starting from principal to the whatever the people we are having on the dashboard. It's nice to good morning one and all. So with the motive of connecting to you all through a technology, it happened today with the help of mechanical department. So it has been a great initiative taken by the college, completely involved in conducting the alumni meet today. So this being of the aim and objective of this virtual meet is to connect and to know well all our alumni, and it's happened today with the help of some technology. So the this meet is mainly conducted for making the alumni activities happening in the college through something called as a meet. So due to this pandemic, we were not able to meet, which was in the month of December. But we wanted to continue the connectivity with the started to plan and connect them through virtually. So the first thing what I want to say here is right now in our college campus we are, that is alumni cell registered office, and we are now taking one initiative that whomsoever visit the bidder, right, so they will be given alumni cell rooms which are in the hostel. You find it in 5-star hotels. So we are having some allotted rooms for the all alumni who have and stay there. One online portal that is through which all the alumni on a single platform. It happened through one of the portal, we call it as alumni.gndcp.ac.in. Using this platform, all the alumni are connected of whichever the branch or whichever the batch, right, are connected on a single hub. Now I really feel proud that we are having on our portal and they are helping each other throughout the world, right? So even we are having one of the thing called as we wanted to connect to a single platform, so we have taken some initiative to connect a web application digitally, that is through a mobile app as well as application. So I request all of you to please register on of it to connect to your classmates, or it may be your institution, or it may be your faculty. So please, this is my humble request to all here to register themselves on the portal and make the best usage of it. On behalf of this, right, the alumni cell is really awesome, right? Some of the alumni, I really thank to them who took part in the development workshops of our institute by conducting seminar, webinars, or and participate overall development of our college. I really appreciate the alumni who helped us to connect all the alumni through I can call it social media platforms or any other platforms. So like admin of various Facebook groups. So even I appreciate some alumni who helped really us in placing the students and making them to get into their organization. Apart from this one, even I making really appreciate and thankful to all the alumni who are us to have the wonderful to see connectivity better in throughout the world. So really it's right starting from our principal sir who is also alumni of 1992 batch to all the alumni connected over the dashboard and playing a role of dean alumni in our college as the alumni of our college is something special to me. Thanks to one and all for your really uh, virtual meet, and even I thank Prasad sir and his complete team who has taken so much initiative through a virtual platform. Thanks one and all. Over to you, Ashwat sir.
Okay. Thank you, Prasad sir. Thank you so much. So now I request our HOD, Professor K.K. Prasad sir, to kindly present the tour of mechanical department with the help of presentation.
Good morning, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste to all of you that is from different part of the world. So I am Prasad, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So I welcome you all to this alumni meet. Of course, I am privileged to be the head of the department, and of course, we do have a department, a vibrant department. So I will be giving a brief history of our college. It is established in the year 1980. And it started with 3 different branches with an intake of 40 each. So at that time, it was affiliated to Gulbarga University. Subsequently, it is affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technological University. So we started with 120 intake. At present, we are having an intake of 744. That is 714 rather. So our department, which is well equipped with all necessary hardwares and softwares, which include robots, CNC machines, so CNC lathe as well as milling machines. We do have rapid prototyping machines, and of course we are having that elite faculty at which consists of 5 PhDs, and many of the people are on the verge of completion of PhD. So apart from the curriculum, we always concentrate on teaching something which is new. So that is going to bridge the gap between the industry and the academy, that is the curriculum. So further we are having that is PG courses we started in the year 2011. Along with that we have got the recognition of R&D center. At present 14 that is research scholars are working in our R&D center. So department established the FMC lab, so which consists of CNC milling machine, lathe machine. Then further we are having the robots, and we have got an aid of 15 lakhs from AICT, and remaining 25 lakhs our benevolent management has contributed. Altogether 1 lakh, that is we have established for 40 lakhs. So further we have established composite materials lab. That is the order of the day, the composite materials, and of course now many are doing the research on composite materials, and people even from research scholars from other states also are now taking this facility and using this facility for their research work. So we do have certain vision and mission which is on display. So to be recognized as an innovative and prominent skill-based department, in the field of mechanical engineering. So for accomplishing this particular vision, we do have certain mission which we will be concentrating on, that is imparting knowledge and skills for the students. Along with that, research culture we are inculcating in them, and the culture of lifelong learning. So along with that, we are other things also we are imparting in the students, that is leadership qualities, entrepreneurship qualities. Then we are teaching ethics and human values. So ultimately, when they come out of the department as graduate engineers, they should have that is humanity in them. And apart from that, they should have the knowledge, skill, and the right attitude to work in various industries and various environments. So this is what now that we expect, and that is our mission. And we do have an elite that is a group of faculty that is consists of that is 5 PhDs, as I mentioned earlier, and remaining faculty members, barring very few, are on the verge of completion of PhD. So further, and if we are having that is well equipped laboratories, the list of the laboratories that we will be able to see here. So we do have computer aided engineering drawing. So completely we have done away with the earlier system of drawing. Now we are having the CAD system, and we will not be using mini drafter or any other equipment. Rather than everything, it is being put on the system by means of these softwares which are available in the market. And further, we are having fluid mechanics, energy conversion labs. So CAMA lab is there, computer aided modeling and analysis laboratory, heat transfer laboratory, design laboratory. So SIM laboratory, it is there. So presently we are having 14 research scholars doing research leading to PhD, and of course we do have the facility for MSc engineering by research also. So one person already, one of our alumni and faculty, Anup Kumar Elia, already has completed his PhD from this center only. And so the department is having the composite materials testing laboratory. I have already that is informed you, and which of course we do have the research facility over here, and people from Maharashtra as well as the Andhra Pradesh, they are doing research in this area, and of course they are utilizing our facility over here. So further, so we do have 5 that is in our research gates. Of course, in the newly added, Dr. Mogre is also there. We do have Dr. Danu Ranjan Chaudhary. Sir has retired, but still he is continuing to be the supervisor, research supervisor. Dr. N.D. Rao, Dr. Sanjay Patil, Dr. Anup Kumar Elia, Dr. Nagraj, and further we are having Dr. Mogre. And these are the research guides, under whom we are having 14 research scholars. They are doing their PhD work. So further, we do have that is many that is grant we have got it. I have already mentioned we have got 15 lakhs from AICT earlier. Another 5 lakhs we have got it from that is BGST, and 20 lakhs now we have got it in that is from BGST itself, and KSCST. So I will familiarize you with the KSCST, that is the state body. So we'll be giving that is aids for the students project, and of course one of the projects we have got state level recognition, that also now I will be showing you, that is in the due course of time. And of course now for all round development of the students with regard to that is knowledge as well as skill. Apart from that, all round abilities in curricular and co-curricular areas. So we are having department association which we call it as MESA club. So that is the Mechanical Engineering Students Association. So the main objective is to have interaction with the academia and industry, and to find out the gap, where the gap is there between the industry and academics, and to fill the gap. And apart from that, we will be that is involved in that is personality development and all-round development of the students. That is what our aim through that is MESA club. So we do have the memorandum of understanding with leading companies. We do have CADMAX. So CADMAX, they will be they are involved in that is supplying the software and educating the software like ANSYS and other advanced softwares in design area. Further, we are having that is So that is memorandum of understanding with various other companies which has been displayed. And together now, our intention is to have up to date training and imparting skill for our students in various areas of interest. So that is training what we have given to the students through the memorandum of understanding. So that is CATMAX. They have given the training in modeling using CATIA, and further the emergent technologies Pune. They have given further modeling using CATIA. That training it has been given. So further now many companies, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited and Gemini Graphics and all, they have permitted our students to visit their industries so that they can be familiarized, they are familiarized with the activities which is going on various industries. So that is now we do have an array of the companies who are recruiting from our college in campus as well as even in off campus also. This is the brief list of companies who are coming to our campus for recruiting our graduates. So many of our graduates, they are occupying elite position in various companies, even a country head. We do have a few people who have joined here. So when from West Africa, that is we do have an elite alumni, and of course from Pune and many places. Of course, all have not been identified by us, and really that we are very happy and elated to have an array of elite set of people who have joined here, and we are very happy that they are all in a great position in various industries, and they are heading the companies, and they are heading this that is country itself in various companies. So we are very happy with that. And this is a list of companies. And our college has got many various awards, even our management. So these are the awards mainly that has been that is given to our management personalities. Dr. That is Balbir Singh sir, and that is Vice Chairperson, that Madam Reshma Kaurchi. So we do have the first one. We have got an award that is on behalf of the college and on behalf of that is that is the management. So we are having excellent contribution in education award to Dr. Sardar Balbir Singh Ji. So has been awarded in the year 2016. Further excellent contribution in education by Visvesvaraya Technological University, that has been awarded in 2018, 2016 rather. So further, that is, we are having another award which has been given to our the college, that is excellent education institution in technical, that is education by, so that is that is Shikshan Gyan and Rotary Club of Kolar. And further, we have got another award, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Memorial Award, which has been presented to our college, that is 2017. So further we are having, that is best institution award, that is further we have got in 2017. So further we are having another award which is there in our that is it is adding, that is it is another further in our cap, that is Kannada Rajyotsava, that is Prashasti Award. Further best engineering, that is college with academic excellence, we have got it in 2018. So all these things, it is the effort of this management. It is having a telling effect in that is getting the award and making the facilities, so that there have been our college is noted in throughout our country as well as in our state, home state. So further, our chairman has been awarded honorary doctorate by Gulbarga University, and on the same day on which we are conducting this meet, that is 27th of February. Of course, he has been awarded the honorary doctorate degree in 2018 on 27th of February. So these are further we have got various awards for our students also. So state level best project award from KSCST for the project, that is zero operating cost refrigeration system using LPG under the guidance of Dr. Nagaraj Archie. So that is another achievement our staff as well as the students have got it in state level. So further, we are having even university ranks. Of course, as you are aware that VTU now it is the state university. and from Mangalore to Bidar, that is, all the engineering colleges are coming under this, and one of our former students, so Akash Yadav, he secured 5th rank in the university examination. So at present also we are having many prospective candidates, students who are studying over here, and further we on the left side you will be able to see here. So that is our management personalities received award by from BTU for excellent contribution in the field of education in 2016. So further, our staff members, they have written books and they have published various papers also in national and international journals. And one of our staff members, Professor Parameshwar Patil, so finite element analysis book has been, that is, you can see the cover page of the book, and that is, we appreciate him for the effort, and many others. And of course, now we are having a doctor, that is Sanjay Patil also has written one book. Of course, it is not on record over here, so that is, I appreciate him also, and further he's in the process of making, that is, writing the books. Both the people, so they are actively involved in writing the books in other areas also. So further, we have organized various functions, and of course, that is webinars which has been arranged by our department. In this, that is connection, I request our renowned alumni to have some contribution with regard to interaction with our students, and when you are free, please inform us. And even webinars or seminars or whatever may be the way in which you will be able to contribute to the knowledge of our students, we will be very happy. And say when we work together, we will be able to achieve many things. And regarding placements also, that is, definitely that you people being there in the industry, that you will be able to advise us, what is the gap which is existing between the industry and the curriculum, and you will be able to bridge the gap, and you will be able to contribute to the knowledge of the students. That way, further, the chances of our students getting absorbed in the industry, that will be brighter. So that is further we used to organize various cultural events and paper presentation under various heads. One is ISD, Indian Society for Technical Education, and of course now our department is taking the lead role in organizing various programs under ISD. Of course, it is that college level chapter, but still we head that particular chapter for the time being, and we arrange various that is functions as well as programs under this. So, so we used to publish yearly, that is, the magazines, by the name Ignite, and of course, that is once in every semester we used to publish the newsletters also, and we will try to make it to reach to each and every that is alumni, so that we will be having that continuous connection. And of course, 2020 that we have arranged the alumni meet, and many who have participated. Of course, this has come in quick succession. And at present, we are going for NBA accreditation as per the Washington Accord. And of course, as you know, that is transnational movement of the graduates that will be possible only for that this institute is that is accredited by NBA. So in that effect, now we are in the process of getting accredited by NBA, that is as per the Washington Accord, which is having the bearing on knowledge, skill, as well as the attitude. So we are working in these lines. Very soon we'll inform you that is the happy moment when we are applying for it, and when we are getting accredited for it, that is for by NBA. We'll be very happy to inform you at the later stage. So with this, I conclude my presentation. I thank each and every one of you for taking time in spite of your busy schedule from West Africa, from Pune, and then Germany, and then that is Canada and America. That is then further from Australia, and like that few. And of course, we didn't identify all of you. That is because so many people are there already on the road, and of course few who have contacted us earlier, so we are able to recognize them, and others also can be recognized one by one, and we are now making an effort in that that is in that line. And of course various countries you are coming, and some are having say one of our renowned alumni, he has told me that is Sardar Sartaj Singh ji, that he is heading, that is uh, country head of that is the Tata Group. That is he is very much available here, and of course now we are coming from Pune. That is the person, and further we are having Srinidhi from Germany, and so of course that is I'm not able to. Yeah, that is then by name now we will be able to get it. Lalit is there, and of course, I am elder to all of you. That's why by name I am calling that. No, so that is Sartaj Singh is there from West Africa, and that is further that is so here Nitin Patel is from that is Pune, and Sunil Kumar, yeah, that is. Sartaj Singh and Anup, that is Anup, of course, will be, some of you at least will be knowing because now he is Dr. Dr. Anup Kumar Elia. He is our alumni and faculty member. He is there, and of course, his classmates also must be there, I'm sure. And further, Srinidhi is there, and further, we do have, yeah, some of Amit Agarwal, and further DHK Wings is not able to. Divakar Kamath is there, and further we do have Sunil Kumar. So further we are having. Yeah. Yeah. So like that, that is a few only I have called out, and please excuse me if I have left some of you because we are not able to identify correctly, and of course because of that difficulty only, and of course our vice chairperson, Madam Reshma Kauji, will be interacting with you, and because of she will be joining with us very soon, and you can interact each other. So I am that is inviting you, that is further, and let us please they can raise their hand, that is yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir, for your complete information about the knowledge. So we will work in that to improve it. Okay, so now just want to say one line. So in the shairi, so everyone is got bored, I think. So I want to say one line. दोस्तों कहते हैं कि खूबसूरत से एक पल का हिस्सा बन जाता है, खूबसूरत से एक पल का हिस्सा बन जाता है, जाने कब कौन जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में, कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में जिनसे कभी ना बिछड़ने वाला रिश्ता बना। In the view of this line, I would like to take to the small documentary we made to refresh your memories. Okay.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ, मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन
Thank you, everyone. I hope you like that documentary, very short. So you might, some of you might refresh their memories from that. I hope you like it. Okay. So before moving for the next thing, I would like to request everyone to please switch on their video cameras so that we can interact with each other. I'm requesting everyone to please switch on the cameras. Yeah. So I'm requesting everyone, please. So I can see very dynamic peoples, handsome peoples on the screen now. Yeah.
So you may please introduce yourself so that now we will be that is knowing each other, because many of you may not have seen us at all, right? All relatively younger staff members are there, and of course senior faculty members are few now when you were studying here. So that is, I request you to introduce yourself so that that is that way now you will be having the rapport that pitch like that, and so.
Can I request Lakshman Singh sir, please? Can you speak some words on this equation? Lakshman Singh sir. Okay, I think sir is not there. So can I request Jasjit Gupia sir, please say a few words on this equation.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Hey, am I being heard okay? Can you hear me okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, we can.
Yeah, we can. Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm really glad. I'm happy to be here. So I'm 91 batch. I see one of my batchmates, Amitabh, here. In fact, we shared our room in the Gurdwara hostel on the first day. I still remember when I came in. So I work for Shell now in Canada, and I'm the pipeline construction manager here. It's been a long journey for me. I had the good fortune of coming to Bidar in 2009, and I think I met HOD was Chaudhry, Mr. Chaudhry there at the time. So very pleased to see him at the time, and Shell's doing a lot of work in Bangalore, as you guys are probably familiar with. We've got a big facility there. I'm happy to be where I am, and I was reading, interestingly, some of the quotes from your HODs and your chairmans. I think the education is the foundation, and Bidar has created a lot of, GNDC Bidar has created a lot of bright engineers, and it continues to do so. So proud to be an alumni and happy to help as best as I can going forward. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So may I request Anand sir, Anand Amitabh. Please can you say some words, share some valuable things. Anand sir, please unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, audible now.
Yeah. So good morning, everybody, and I'm really happy to be here, seeing, as Jasjit has just mentioned, seeing Jasjit after such a long time, and all of you. The presentation that was given to revisit our memories was really touching. It gives me a good feeling that I studied in this college. I'm 91-95 batch, and glad to be here, and I promise to support in whatever way I can. I'm currently working for Lisega. That's a German company. I was the one who brought Lisega into India, and I'm working as a managing director and director on board for this company right now. I've earlier worked with Larsen and Toubro for about 15 years. So yeah, this is how it is. But I interact with Lisega within the world market for a lot of international jobs. We are doing a couple of them in Australia, in Spain, and in Gulf countries. So once again, I'm happy to be here and really delighted that we touched on many things that took me back to my days from 91 to 95 in Bidar. Thanks one and all.
Thank you, sir. There is Vinay Palmori, sir. Hello. Ramesh Patil. Hello, Ramesh Patil, sir. Are you able to hear? Lalit Kukreja, sir. Can you say some words? Hello. Are you able to hear?
Unmute.
Lalit Kukreja, sir. Can you say some words? Please unmute yourself, sir. Lalit Oswald, sir. Please.
Hello, good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Hello, hearing me? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, we
Hello?
are hearing. We don't have any problem.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. I am first batch student of the college. When the college was in the initial stage, we were also in initial stage of the engineering. We started on the same day. College started birth on the same day. Our engineering birth started on the same day. We are the member of first batch of the engineering college, mechanical engineering. I am very happy that you have shown the video and it has memorized पुरानी यादें ताजा कर दी आपने वीडियो दिखा के, बहुत अच्छा लगा. इधर आना तो नहीं होता है कभी, लेकिन वीडियो पे देखने के बाद बहुत अच्छा लगा कि यहाँ पे हमने 4-5 साल यहाँ पे गुजारे थे. बहुत अच्छा था. कॉलेज का बहुत अच्छा माहौल रहा. बैच बहुत अच्छी रही हमारे साथ में. और ये JND कॉलेज जो था, इट इज द कंप्लीट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. एक स्टेट का कॉलेज नहीं था. इसमें पूरा इंडिया दिखता था, पंजाब से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक और इधर मुंबई से लेके गुवाहाटी तक सभी स्टेट के स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर पढ़ने आते थे. तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था, बहुत अच्छा माहौल था. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट I have learned from this college. I have learned not only engineering but the habits of every state, every part of the every state. We were part of every state and हम लोग सब साथ में रह के एंजॉय करते थे. बहुत अच्छा लगा. I am very happy that I am a part of this college. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So,
GND college was a mini India.
Yes.
Okay. Now I request Sartaj Bedi sir to please speak some words on this occasion.
So 5:30 evening in South Africa or West Africa. Welcome. We are eager to hear from you.
I hope you can hear me well and clear.
Yes, we are able to hear you.
So I'm presently working as a country head for a company known as Shapoorji Pallonji, and we are doing huge construction work in Gulf, in India, and in Africa as well. I had been an alumni of GNDC from 93-97 batch. I think soon we'll be having a silver anniversary coming up. And it has been, I was going through the presentation and through the memories, the memoir which was prepared. Somehow the college has, you see, developed a huge amount, and what we saw was not what is shown here. We have seen college at a very, you see, nascent stage, and it has been such a pleasure being a part of this college. Unfortunately, I don't see any of my batchmates here, but yes, it has given an immense, you see, experience to us, apart from the knowledge which we gained from the college. And at that point of time, our HOD was Professor Yadagiri, and Mr. Chandrakanta was my project head. We were doing one of the projects there. It's a wonderful experience altogether to have traveled from such a low, at that point of time, Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College was among being affiliated to the Gulbarga University was not, seen as one of the brightest college. But now, as I see it on many journals, I see it on the websites, the college has developed, and I think it goes a huge applause to all the dignitaries, to all the staff, to all the stakeholders who have been there, who have been trying to take it up. And I really wish you all the very best. I'm proud to be associated with all of you, and look forward to join you in all your future endeavors as far as recruitments and also those kind of things are concerned. Even for the part where we can come in for the development of the college, we can look forward to that. With that, I think I'll pass the floor back to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. So may I request Srinidhi Narayana sir to please speak on this question.
Good morning, everyone. I think you can able to hear me, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we are
Okay.
audible. Srinidhi.
Good morning.
You have
Good
been
morning,
following
Prasad sir.
at least 3 years, continuously.
Yeah, correct. I didn't get a chance to interact any of the session till now, but this is the first time I'm joining the meeting. Thanks for inviting me, and happy to see you all. I'm 2004 passed out from the GNDC and worked in many parts of the world. Initially started my career in India for a couple of years, then moved to United States, worked for 5 years there. Now I'm living in Germany since 2012, working as a project leader and for a company called Recaro Aircraft Seating. We make economic class and business class seats, and we have many customers all over the world. If you take some of them from India, for example, Air India, Jet Airways, Indigo Airlines, and coming back to Gulf like Etihad, Emirates, and from Europe like Lufthansa, Air France, and also from US. Yeah. I also worked for, in the beginning, couple of years in Airbus as a development engineer. We are making engines and fuselage for the Airbus. Yeah, that's how. And happy to see you all. Yeah.
Okay, Srinidhi, thank you for joining us. Later also, that is, I hope that, you will join with us. Only one difference I am seeing, so you have shed your hair, and so that is the difference which I am seeing in you, right? Otherwise,
Yeah.
no difference at all. Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you for joining us. I think, in Germany, what is the time now?
At present, it's 7:30 in the morning. Yeah.
Okay, no issue. Then that you normally used to get up early. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for inviting. Thank you, sir.
Parshuram Araya sir, please can you speak? Parshuram Araya sir.
I'm audible.
Can you switch on your camera?
I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible, sir. Can you switch on your camera, sir? You are audible. We can't able to see.
Yeah, we are not able to see you. I think your video, that is, video is not on.
Okay, actually, some network issue is there. Okay.
Fine.
Sir,
You can speak.
okay.
You can speak.
This is Parshuram. Now I am staying in Pune as a assistant manager working in Wheel India company. They are manufacturing of wheels. And special thanks to Prasad sir, Sangmesh sir, and Digambar sir. They have given opportunity to join the Alumina. I was the
Thank
batch 2005 to 2009. I'm very proud to see Guru Nanak Dev doing that time when I was studying at 2005 to 2009. There were two improvement and innovative things which I saw now the videos. There is a lot of drastic changes in the Guru Nanak Dev engineering colleges in studies as well as new innovative things towards good skills or in training centers and new equipments and in laboratory also I saw. Doing that, it was not of that much of opportunity to learn during that time, but now it is good improvements which I saw in the videos. Once again, I thankful to Guru Nanak Dev managements and mechanical departments to their growth success and still come to at the time. Thank you so much. You have given opportunity to join the alumni.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Observe your name, admin. I don't know who is that. Not able to identify. Admin.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Yes, sir. Divakar, sir, please can you say some words?
Yes, Divakar Kamath.
Yeah, good morning. I'm Divakar Kamath of the 2000 to 2004 batch, same as Srinidhi, and
Okay.
I can find, yeah, correct. I can find Srinidhi on the screen, who was my batchmate, and also I think Dr. Nagraj. Nagraj was also my batchmate there. Yeah.
Okay. Nagraj, sir.
My remembrance, fond memories of the college are like our batch was when the innovation of the college started. I have the fond memories of the old buildings as well as the new buildings. And I lived 4 years in the hostel. The memories of the hostel are also great. And as someone before me had said, GND had the whole India in it, the campus, from Kashmir to Kerala. And I was from Kerala. That was the thing. And professionally, right now I am back in my hometown and doing a business myself. I have a tool and die making unit, and also a consultant in mechanical engineering. Basically speaking, I am using my mechanical engineering in my day-to-day life. Thank you, GNDC, for making me a mechanical engineer. And another fond memory of Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College and my batch was our principal, Pritam Singh. I can't stop mentioning Dr. Pritam Singh is necessary when we talk about GNDC, especially for my batchmates.
He has made an imprint over there. That's why. Thank you, Divakar ji.
Kumar Kulkarni, sir.
Hello, sir. Datta Kumar here, sir. Good morning to all. Good morning, Prasad, sir. I hope you remember me. 2003 batch IP industrial production. 2003 batch, sir. Shivan
Okay,
Goda Patel.
2003. Batch I will forget, but not yourself. No, I am still remembering your face.
Last batch of IP.
Okay. Where are you working
Yes,
at now?
sir.
Please tell us so that.
Presently, Presently, I am in Pune working in a IT industry, one of the leading IT company, AS Technology, on SAP software. Good to see you all after a long time, sir.
Okay. So there may not be much difference. Only college has changed a lot. Lot many changes are there in college. And of course, the faculty
Yes, yes.
also has changed a lot. Younger generation is there. They are able to guide the students in a better way than us, perhaps. Okay, thank you, Dattu Kumar. That is, we'll meet further. That is, as and when it is being arranged interactions and all. Now, please come forward so that we can. That is, our relationship will be lively.
Definitely, sir. Whenever I get chance to interact with the students, I will come forward.
You are all invited to our campus also, as and when you are in our country, or no, that of course you are in our country only, but many are
Yes,
outside the country. That's why I'm telling like this.
yes, yes,
Okay,
definitely.
thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Amit Agarwal, sir, can you speak some words?
Thanks. Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, sir. You are audible.
Thanks. And now it's good afternoon to all. It's a very nostalgic and feeling good to see so many things and interact with our own gender. Remembering Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College is never out of our memory. That's a beautiful part of our life, what we have lived 4 years there. I'm a 92, 96 batch, 96 pass out. We see a couple of people from my batch. Good to see here Mr. Lalit, I think, spoke about one of the first batch, and my batch is Lalit Vedha is also there. It was nostalgic to see a lot of photos and pictures what you show. Had we represented the youth festival, the university and the college. We won few pictures what we showed are part of that presentation what we did representing our college and our university in the national forum. A lot of good memories. It is nostalgic, to be honest. And good that you have taken this initiative to bring together the alumni. It's a good initiative, and I think it will go very long in building that relationship and also in helping college and its students in their development. And thanks to Ravindra, and Ravindra is our batch. He has taken on the helm of the affairs of the college now. Proud of you, Ravindran, and the way we saw in the presentation and the videos and the what people, junior students are speaking about the college. It's heartening to note that so much of progress has been made by the college. Thanks to Ravindran and all the founders and the seniors and the directors of the college. So much of interest has been taken and development is happening. I worked as a vice president for the firm company Vodafone Idea Limited. I've been traveled across the country, many places I have visited. Currently, I'm based out in Pune and would be happy to help in any ways in college and good that we'll be in touch from now on. All the best to all the juniors in the management and the college, taking forward the lives of our juniors people and building their careers. Thanks a lot. Over to you, telling myself.
Thank you, sir. So may I request Nitin Patil, sir, please can you speak? Nitin Patil, sir.
Good afternoon to all. I hope I am audible.
Yeah, you are audible, sir.
You are audible, and of course, Dr. Anup Kumar Elia is waiting for you, eager meeting for meeting. Of course, he is very much there.
Thank you for to the organizing committee and the management for providing this forum to interact with the alumni of GND. We all have fond memories of the college, and also proud that Anup has doctor in his prefixing his name. Good to know that, and also know that he is doing well in the college. And yes, last year I had visited the college, I think somewhere in February or March, and offered a visit to our plant in Pune. somehow I think that the visit was organized, but due to COVID, it was cancelled at the last moment. But as and when the situation normalizes, I think I again offer that. We have a very good plant in Pune. I work for KSB Limited, that is a pump company, and there are 3 plants in Pune, so the college students can make use of a visit to the plant and see the complete manufacturing process involved in the pump. I think just now before me, Amitabh, who spoke, I don't remember, but he was also from the pump industry. I just missed his name of the company.
I was working for Larsen & Toubro Valves, but of course, pump was also very close.
Okay.
Yeah, very close to the kind of.
Or you're working from Coimbatore, or?
No, I was handling projects, oil and gas projects, pan-India basis. So I was based in Delhi and very close coordination with Chennai, Coimbatore, and Kanchipuram.
Okay. Good to know. Yeah.
Same here, Nitin.
Yes. Thank you. I also, I think it was a presentation as well as a video which was shared, and it got fond memories of our college days. Yes, the building is new. The infrastructure is quite good nowadays. When I visited last year, I think I was surprised that very modern facilities in the college. It's good for the students currently. I also thought that the facilities are quite good in Bidar now. So hope that the college will go to higher heights. Thank you again, the organizing committee. And please let me know in any case if I can help, if I can be of any help to you. As I had said, the plant visit can be organized anytime when the situation normalizes. Thank you.
Patil Sab, I'll try to interrupt. I just wanted to inform you that for our West Africa region, we have bought quite a number of KSB pumps, and we are installing them for the water network, borehole water rehabilitation in the Gambia. So
Yes.
a little knowledge, a little interaction to you.
Yeah. And when you spoke, I think I just wanted to tell you we are currently executing a very big order for Shapoorji Pallonji for an oil platform. Yeah, the order is currently under execution. I think 25 or 30 crores order we are currently under. It is currently under execution.
Hopefully, you are going to get another order soon. Looking forward.
Thank you,
everyone.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I apologize. I have to leave because of my daily schedules. It's 6:45 in the morning. I got about.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
I had one more thing, Ashfaq, I had put in the chat box to Anup as well as to Dr. Ravindra. Please share the Dr. Ravindra's number, because my brother who is in US is looking for some interaction with college for some project work.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. That's it from my side. Thank you again. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Shivan Goda, sir. Can you say some words?
Yeah. Hi, Anup sir. Hi, Prasad sir. Could you recognize me? I am.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Lot
Good
of
morning.
changes.
Yeah. So, as you know that I'm a 2005 IP last batch student. So after that I joined to RGBS in Bangalore. So after that I joined Geometric Solutions. From there I moved to HCL Technology. From 10 years I'm working with HCL only. So we are handling the project Daikin air conditioning. So do you remember one day I asked you one question, why metrology lab need a air conditioner? So when I am working in the air conditioner field, so I realized that one day I asked such a stupid question to my lecture. So that is a very helpful. So I'm working in HVAC domain. So anything any knowledge, anything you want, any sessions you want to conduct in college regarding HVAC, I'm ready to come and give one small workshop to our junior. So I'm very happy to seeing all my old lecturers, KK Prasad sir, Anup Ilya sir. Anup Ilya sir also changed like anything, and ND Rao sir. So Sanjay Patil sir. It's very good time, and I thank you everyone for organizing this, sir. Thank you.
And please give me the contact number, otherwise, it will be difficult for us to contact you. I could not contact you in the Facebook or Messenger.
Yeah, sir. I will, yes, sir. I have your number, and
Prasad Krishnan, you can see Prasad Krishnan, and it will come not as Prasad KK. So that you can see in WhatsApp or Facebook or that is Messenger or any media you do, right? Prasad Krishnan, not Prasad KK. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will. Thank you.
Now that is our management representative and vice chairperson Jeshma Kaurji madam is there. I welcome madam, and madam will be interacting with you. That is in a few moments from now. And over to madam.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Our vice chairperson. Okay.
Yeah.
That is,
Am I audible, sir? Am I audible?
I'm audible, ma'am. That but video is it is not found now till now.
But I can see myself.
Yeah.
You can't. Can you see me?
No, ma'am. Can't see, but voice is coming. Voice is audible. Camera, that is,
You can switch on the camera.
switch on the camera. No, that is the thing is that you can't see you, but sound is coming clearly.
Okay, I'm trying to, but I don't know. I'm not able to because I'm trying to. Now, can you see me now? No?
No.
No. Okay. Then let me talk. I don't know what is the problem. Okay, hello everyone, and on behalf of the management, I welcome all of you to this meet. I'm very happy to see that so many students, our alumni, have joined the meet. So first of all, I would like to thank the department for organizing a meet. So I think we have the second one in this year, in this academic year. So I'm happy that they are trying to connect with all our alumni, with the school, with the college. And also we are grateful to the technology. I can say that we are able to talk and look, see each other, being at different places all over India as well as outside abroad. So I'm very happy that you could join today, and I'm sure you have been updated with the developments in the college, and we look forward to your association with the college. And I would just like to announce that most of the students must be aware that we are running a 100-bedded hospital in Gurdwara premises, and we have recently started the dialysis center, where we are providing free service to the needy. So we have provided 100 free dialysis to the needy patients, and this we had announced to the alumni. So, and one of our alumnus of mechanical department, Sardar Akash Deep Singh, was very kind enough to donate some of the kits for the 7 to 10 kits for the dialysis patients. So I would request all of you that if you could donate something for the patients here, it would be a great help. And also if you could pass on this word to the people who are willing to do that. And we also have this tax exemption, 80G. So that will also help the people who are donating. And we are also coming up with many such charitable work. So I would want all our alumni to involve in these activities. We would also be sending you some of the videos regarding the work, what we are doing. And apart from this, I would also request you all that now you know what is the trend going on everywhere. So the mechanical department branch is is facing a few problems. So as you are aware that many colleges, this mechanical branch, the admissions has relatively come down. So now the college needs you. So I would request all of you to send at least 1 or 2 students from your side to the mechanical departments, so that the department, which is the evergreen branch, and it was a first option years back, that it would continue, and it will help the department. So I would request all of you to please look into it seriously and assist your department in continuing as it was years together. And it has given such good students out to the world who are really doing well, and they are prospered so well, and with the blessings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So I would request all of you to please look into this, and help the department in getting some admissions for the mechanical department. And as I was just talking to Guru Prasad, many of our alumni are doing really well. They have their own setups. So if you could also help our students in the placement, and guiding them, motivating them, and making them aware of the avenues what they are now, that would also be a great help. And it is not necessary that you have to be physically present here. You can you can have an online talk with them. You can guide them, and you can help the department. So I wish all of you the best in your life, a lot of success and happiness, and regards to all your family, and blessings to the children. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. So definitely we will work in direction. We will improve our admission. Thank you once again. So
yeah,
we will continue with the interactive session. So I request Gautam Raj sir, please can you speak some words?
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody.
Yes, sir, you are audible. Please check it.
Hello. Hello. My name is belong to the I think for familiar with Mr. Prasad, who is heading the department now. Those days, Mr. Venkatesh for HOD. Okay. As far as I am concerned, I work for a company called as MRF Science. Right? We have a facility in Goa, manufacturing facility. I head the plant here. So, in whatever way I can be of help, I'm ready to help the alumni as well as the college. Thank you so much. I don't want to take much of the time. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, sir.
If you can arrange for some placement for some of our students of final year now, will be very happy, or now campus recruitment or any policy. As far as the placements are concerned, it is it's a corporate affair. In fact, I can also help there, right? We don't recruit people directly from the plants. So we have 10 plants pan India. So based on that, all our recruitments are through corporate. Anyway, I can put a word to my corporate.
Which plant you are working, sir? At present, where are you working?
I am working for a plant in Goa. Goa, we have a facility which is old.
One of my classmates, he is about to retire. He is in Chennai, Thomas Matthew. That's why I thought, if you are from there, perhaps, maybe knowing each other like that, I thought. That's why I asked the question.
Matthew? Thomas Matthew, which department? Can you have any idea?
And that is, Chennai plant. He is about to retire. I think he is on extension now. And Thomas Matthew is in that Chennai only, Chennai plant.
Okay, we have almost 40,000 employees working across.
That may not come across. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Anyone want to speak further? Ashman Singh.
Okay, sir. I want to tell. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, audible, audible.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I want to tell one shairi about our college and of our mechanical engineering department. जिंदगी की असली उड़ान तो अभी बाकी है, जिंदगी की असली उड़ान तो अभी बाकी है, जिंदगी के कई इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है, अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमी हमने, अभी तो नापना पूरा आसमान बाकी है, जिंदगी की कई जीत बाकी है, जिंदगी की कई हार बाकी है, यह डेवलपमेंट तो सिर्फ एक पन्ना है, अभी तो नापना पूरा किताब बाकी है।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Super.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I would request Anup to speak a few words.
A very good afternoon to all. Respected Vice Chairperson Madam, Principal Sir, Head of the Department, faculty members, and all my dear alumni friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. It gives me an immense pleasure to see all of you in this particular meet, and being the student of esteemed institution Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College Bidar, I feel proud to work as a faculty member in mechanical department. When I look back to my journey, I see great development since from 86 to till date. And being in this college, I'm very happy to see all the students, all the alumni, all my gurus, and all the management people who are doing well to uplift the people of Bidar and other part of our country. And I feel very proud that I have completed my PhD from Mechanical Engineering Department from my college, that is Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Bidar. And being as an alumni, I have a great concern to all my junior friends and all my senior friends and all my co-friends. We want to develop our institution, and I urge that all of us could be a part of development of Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College in general, in particular mechanical engineering department. And whatever the help you can render through your seminars, through the placement, through training, through your expert lectures and advices, we'll be happy to inculcate all your facts, all your suggestions. Ultimately, we would like to develop our institution. And I recall the old days. In this particular meet, how we used to study, and my good friend Nitin Patil is here, and we used to have a group study in his house, and I have been really thankful to Nitin Patil for his help in making me to understand all these subjects which are difficult. And I'm very happy to saw all these, and a very great thrill I'm feeling that I want you to be in continuous touch with the department and all of us so that we can uplift the mechanical department. Thank you, one and all.
As alumni, this thanks is now to the alumni.
Thank you, Anup. Thank you.
Anyone wants to speak?
Anybody else want to speak something and interact with the faculty and others? Please come forward, right? So here we there.
Krishna.
Krishna.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone. Uh, I, I I was a part of GNDC with the for a batch 2010 to 14. I passed out in 14. At present, I am working for a brand Budweiser, which is into a beer a product. So at present, I am handling the below the line marketing activities for Mumbai, basically. So unlike everyone here, I got my experiences out of my mechanical domain. So I started working for marketing as my first job. So I have been working for cigarettes, FMCG, e-commerce, and this. At now, I'm working for a liquor company. So it's great to see a lot of people with a lot of experiences from the first batch that got passed out of GNDCP, from and a lot of my friends joined the call. So it's a great setup that has been made to interact with the alumni. We know like where our colleagues are placed right now, and everyone speaking good things about their company, what they are doing, where they are. It was a nice meeting you all. That's it from my end. Thank you, Prasad sir. I hope you remember me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
I
you.
request Mallikarjun Kori sir is there. Mallikarjun Kori. Chandrasekhar.
Hello.
Yeah, Mallikarjun Kori.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello. Hello. Can I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
You are audible.
Visible also. Audible and
Yes, sir.
visible.
This is Yes, sir. This is Mallikarjun Kori, 08 to 12 batch. Hello.
Yes, we are hearing you.
Yes, sir. I am 2008 to 2012 batch student. Professor and Nagaraj sir, you are my lecturer.
Yes, Nagaraj is very much here.
Yes. Anup sir is my project coordinator.
Yeah, Anup sir is also
And
not here, but Gulbarga. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. Nagaraj sir taken one test in Technovision 10. I get the second prize in Technovision 10 sharpener designing. Now I am working in design department only. Previously I worked in press tool design. Now I am working in product design in Cooper Standard India Private Limited, Pune, sir.
Okay.
Thank you to see all of you.
Thank you, Mallikarjun, and whomsoever that you have been taught earlier, and all are
Sir,
here.
I discussed with you, sir. You remember me? My eyes are every day red.
Okay. Thank you, Mallikarjun.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So, anybody else want to interact, say some words?
Sir,
Yes. Mike, please switch on your mic.
Sir, hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sir, this is
We can
Sunil
hear.
Kumar.
Yes,
I am 2012 batch. Sir, Prasad sir, thank you for inviting me for this conference. I have called my all friends, but they are not joined.
No problem.
I will inform that. I will send the screenshot of this. And sir, I am working in the Bharat Force.
Bharat Forge Limited, Pune. Bharat Forge is the largest forging company. In that, I am working in the aerospace department, and I am working in the quality as a machining in charge in the quality department. Since 6 years, I am working in the aerospace company. Before that, I have worked in the Asas Engineering, that is in Hyderabad. Now, 4 years back, I have joined in the Pune Bharat Forge company. If anyone wants to, your students wants to join in the Bharat Forge or in Pune, please call me. I will help them for recruitment, otherwise for job. Thank you, sir.
Sunil, and now we will contact. I personally also I will contact you, because we were having a continuous contact for quite long time, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So thank
Okay,
you,
sir.
thank you, Sunil, for coming and interacting with the other, that is your seniors as well as your juniors. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Hello, Lalit Kudreja, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You want to say something? Yes, telling something. Sir, please switch on your mic. Lalit Kudreja, sir.
Lalit, your mic is not on. It is not audible. You are not audible. Okay, fine.
Okay, anybody else?
So we.
Sir. Sodi sir has not came, sir. Sodi sir.
Who? Sodi sir retired, but
Sodi,
our he is there in the that is security. He is there in security, but sir has not come today.
Okay. Once again, I will thank to sir Priyanka madam and Nagaraj sir, Prasad sir, Digambar sir, Anup sir, Mogre sir. I missed that. Sorry.
All are here.
Thank you, sir. Mogre sir, Nagaraj sir.
Mogre sir and Nagaraj sir, no special thanks. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Sunil.
Prasad sir has support me lot of for any kind of support sir has given me for progress.
Okay, thank you for remembering me. That is,
Till today, sir will remember. Sir will message me for any kind of messages.
Okay.
Sir will reply also for the same day or any time. I have not contacted to Nagaraj sir. I will take contact number to Nagaraj sir.
Yeah, sir. I will just speak out. Hello.
Okay, thank you.
How are you?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir.
So, thank you, everyone. Request Dr. Sanjay Mani sir, please deliver a word of thanks.
Dr. Sanjay Patil, Sir, Mechanical Engineering Department of Guru Nanak Engineering College, Bidar. The privilege
दो मिनट बेटा बात
One minute, please. No.
Good afternoon to one and all. This is Dr. Sanjay Patil, Professor Mechanical Engineering Department, Nanak Engineering College, Bidar. We feel privileged for having asked huge amount of time on this virtual alumni meet. I, on behalf of Mechanical Engineering Department, would like to thank today's chief guest, Madam Reshma Kaurji, for gracing this occasion with her inspiring words. I would like to thank
Colonel Dr. B.S. Salivan, Director Academics, for his valuable words in gracing this occasion. I would like to thank Dr. Ravindra Eklarkar, Principal, for his continuous support. I would like to thank Prasad, HOD Mechanical, for taking initiative for organizing virtual alumni meet and presenting the department information in detail. I would like to thank all the wonderful alumni of Mechanical Engineering Department of Guru Nanak Engineering College who are at different positions in various organizations across the world. Each one of you has spent valuable time and you have shared your experiences, which will certainly help our department and our students. I would also like to thank Professor Guru Prasad, Dean Alumni, HODs of various departments, faculty participants, and members of organizing committee for their dedicated effort to make this event successful. Thank you, one and all.
Hello. Now my mic is working. Hello. Hello. I'm audible?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, you can
Now I'm
continue.
audible?
You are audible and visible, both.
Yes, sir.
Hello. I'm Lalit Kukreja, 92-96 batch, mechanical. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Hello. I am 92-96 batch, mechanical. Really, I am very happy to see the development of the college. It's entirely changed now, and very happy to see all of you. I'm working as a general manager operations with Coca-Cola company. It's in Mathura, very near to Delhi. So I'll be always available for any help. You can contact me for any type of help.
Thank you.
Hello. Thank you,
Yes.
Ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, so we'll conclude the meeting. Before concluding, I just want to speak some lines. So, being I am an alumni and faculty, I'm also an alumni of this college. So, before concluding, I just want to say these lines. So, मैं यादों का हिस्सा खोलूं तो कुछ दोस्त बहुत याद आते हैं. मैं गुजरे पल को सोचूं तो कुछ दोस्त बहुत याद आते हैं. अब जाने कौन सी नगरी में आबाद हैं जाकर मुद्दत से. मैं देर रात तक जागूं तो कुछ दोस्त बहुत याद आते हैं. कुछ बातें थी फूलों जैसी, कुछ लहजे थे खुशबू जैसे. मैं शहर चैमन में ठहरूं तो कुछ दोस्त बहुत याद आते हैं. वो पल भर की नाराजगियां और मान भी जाना पल भर में. अब खुद से भी मैं रूठूं तो कुछ दोस्त बहुत याद आते हैं. थैंक यू एवरीवन. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you, Nagraj.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Prasad sir. Inder sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we are signing off. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing the meeting, Nagraj.
Okay. Bye. The meeting.